What is up, lock-picking newbie here? While we were at the car wash today cleaning up some shelves, I found a 1530 master lock, combination lock. 1530 Delta Charlie Mike DCM. I probably originally bought this for the dumpster and ended up going with a key lock instead, so I don't know how long this has been sitting there. I did have my wife put a piece of tape over the back of it so we can't see the combination. So let's see if we can get this thing open. See if it even works. It's no telling how many years it's been sitting on the shelf. But there's a pretty easy way to open this, well, pretty much any combination lock. The Fortress by Master Lock has a little different way to do it that I remember way back in high school. Okay, well, what we're going to do here, let's zoom in a little bit. The key here is to find just the right amount of tension, not too much tension, not too little tension. See right there, it locked up on, well, 9. Okay. So it locked up on 9. I'm putting just enough tension. I'm using my finger there to hold the shackle. So that actually looks like 8 if you look right at it. That's 8, not 9. So what you want to do now is add 5 to that, which is 13. So I'm going to write down 13. Alright, so that should be our first number. Okay, so let's reset to 13 right there. Lift up on it again, same amount of tension, and we'll go counterclockwise till it seizes up. Sometimes it takes 3 or 4 times. Oh, it just seized. That seized right up. So alright, it definitely seized up. Okay, that is not your number. Alright. Let's start going backwards. Find the one spot that it stops on constantly. Right there. 27, I feel it stopping every time. Yep. Right there. Okay, it stops on 27 when I spin it. So that's going to be our second number. So we got 13, 27. Now, let's get the last number. Reset it. Go to 13. All the way back around to 27. And start bumping it as you spin. There it is. Number 9. Alright, so our combination is 13, 27, 9. Let's look on the back of the lock and see. It's kind of faded, but you can see 13, 27, 9. So that is how you decode pretty much any master lock other than the Fortress. The Fortress, like I said, had its own little thing, and I'm going to see if I can find one of those because I remember that going way back to school days. gem lockers, hall lockers. Pretty much everybody had a fortress. And you could literally open that lock quicker, not knowing the combination, than if you did know the combination. But that'll be another video. In any event, that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next one. Lock Picking Newbie out.